Let's talk about little kids not ready for school and what you can do about it. We have a lot of our littles coming to school right now that are, let's say if you teach kindergarten or pre-K and you've got some 3, 4, 5-year-olds, you probably got kids anywhere developmentally from 18 months old and up. All right, littles. And we're asking them to sit in a circle for 10 minutes at a time and wondering why they can't do it. So I change my lens a little bit and I look at some of those kids and say, what would I expect from a 2-year-old? And it's not that I want to lower the bar, but I have to be realistic about getting them to a place, especially at kindergarten. Every kindergarten teacher loves those little kids. We love them, but we know that many of those kids are coming to us very developmentally young and they're just not ready. So it's a give or take. So when I say that, I mean, what do I want this child to be able to do right now that they can't do? If it's just being in the classroom and without making noise, without running out of the classroom, without tipping over desks, whatever it is they might be doing, then that's the goal that I'm reaching for. I'm not necessarily going to be pushing sitting in centers, doing the activity, sitting in the circle with the rest of us. I've had kids who get to a place where they're actually sitting over by a bookcase and they're kind of drawing, coloring, or even building a little Lego thing. But before that, they weren't even able to be in the room. So it's their first experience being convinced that other people can take care of them. School's a big thing. So when they're real little and they're just not ready, we've got to be realistic about where they are developmentally versus chronologically and pick our battles there. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.